Hello everybody and welcome to our St Mary's tutorial on how to use Google Hangouts, which is our video platform for conference calls, which means that you should be able to connect with multiple people online through your webcam and your laptop. So I'm going to run you through those steps. First thing you might notice though is that I'm using an Apple Mac. If you're not using an Apple Mac, don't worry, just use your regular internet browser and this page should look the same. So you need to come onto google.co.uk, and the first thing you need to do, if you're not already logged in to your Google account, is to click on this button up here in the corner, sign in. If some of you are watching this video and you don't have a Google account already, please check the website where we have our resources and you will see a document which very clearly explains how to set up a Google account, but we won't be doing that in this video. So as you can see, you get to this page. I've already logged in, so it's remembered me, so I could just click straight onto that. But if you were to sign in manually, click use another account. Again, it's remembered my email address, but you would have this box and you would just type in your email. You then click next. You then come up to the password box. Mine's remembered it, but if you were to do it from scratch, you just type it in, bearing on the hope that it's the correct password. It should work. You click next. And in we go. Now, you'll be back to the Google homepage, and you'll see in the top right corner there a little initial, which means that your Google account is logged in. You then need to tap that, and you will find on this drop-down box, manage your Google account. And it will bring you to this page. Once you're on this page, you just need to find this icon in the corner here. Looks like a keypad. It says Google Apps when you hover your mouse on it. Tap that and just scroll down until you get to Hangouts. You then tap Hangouts and this screen will appear, and it's relatively straightforward from here on. It should say hi, whatever your name is, in this case Toby, because that's me. And the next step is simply to click Video Call, and this new box will open, and this you should be able to see if your camera is working. You should be able to see your own face on the screen, and you'll have the option to invite people. If I close that box, you can see what it looks like. Here I am. Hello. And if you click invite people here again, the same box will come up that's appeared. Now you can try and invite people by typing in their email address here, but when I was testing this, it didn't seem to work. The invitations to email accounts weren't working. So if that doesn't work, a very simple option is to simply click copy link to share. And that will have copied the link to this video call to share with whoever you want to be part of your video call. I'm then going to move this window out the way and go back onto my Google page. So I can go back onto manage Google accounts. And then I'll go back onto my apps and I will go to Gmail. Gmail will just bring up my regular email accounts. I'm going to compose a new email address. If you have another way of creating, of sending emails not through this platform, you can do this exactly the same. But just for the purposes of this video, I will then type in an email address to share, to send this link to. So in this case, I'm going to use a fake Google email address that our dear youth worker Johnny Lowe has set up, and that is Bobby. So here we go, MCBOBBY. This is just an example, 70@gmail.com. Subject, whatever you want it to be, video link, for example. And then when I click paste, you'll notice that the Hangouts link has been pasted in there, just like a regular copy and paste. I'm now going to send that to Bobby, which is Johnny Lowe. Hopefully, Johnny is at his computer, accessing his emails, and he should have received my email with a link. So we'll just give that a second. So, let's see if Bobby joins. There we go. It's worked. Here he is. He's actually just opposite me. So this is what will happen then. As soon as you get that link, you need to click on it and you will find yourself on the video conferencing call. Oh, we've got a bit of feedback there. So it's as straightforward as that, really. We will be making a second video just to show what it looks like on the other side if you were Johnny in this case and you were receiving the link and you wanted to know what it looks like to open that up. but it's very straightforward, as you can imagine. If you were to have multiple people on this platform, you'd see different windows of different faces, of different people connected, and it's fairly straightforward from there. Hope that's helpful. Thank you. God bless you all in these uncertain times, but I hope that this might just help you to connect better with people for whatever you might need to do, small groups or any other meetings. Okay, bless you. Bye-bye.